Hello students, welcome back to Concrete Technology Lecture 2 of Unit 1, that is of cement. The general outline of this lecture would be chemical composition of cement and cement compounds. Now let us discuss about chemical compositions. In chemical composition we will be discussing on oxide composition of cement. The basic raw material used in manufacturing of cement are lime, silica, alumina and iron oxide. These oxides interact with each other in rotary kiln to form complex compounds. The relative proportion of the different oxides influences the properties of cement. The approximate oxide limits of OPC are calcium oxide as lime 60 to 67%, silicon oxide or silica as 17 to 25%, aluminum oxide or alumina as 3 to 8%, iron oxide as 0.5 to 6%, magnesium oxide or magnesia as 0.1 to 4%, alkalis as sodium oxide and potassium oxide as 0.4 to 1.3%, and sulfur trioxide as 1.3 to 3%. Now let us discuss about compounds of cement. The oxides present in the raw materials when subjected to high clinkering temperature combine with each other to form complex compound. The identification of the major compounds has been done by R.H. Bogue and are called as Bogue's compound. They are tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate and tetracalcium aluminiferrite. The actual formula for each compounds are: for tricalcium silicate it is 3CaO SiO2, for dicalcium silicate it is 2CaO SiO2, for tricalcium aluminate it is 3CaO Al2O3, and for tetracalcium aluminiferrite it is 4CaO Al2O3 Fe2O3. Here the abbreviated form, which is given in red color: for tricalcium silicate it is C3S, for dicalcium silicate it is C2S, for tricalcium aluminate it is C3A, and for tetracalcium aluminiferrite it is C4A. The mineral names for individual compounds are: tricalcium silicate is known as alite, dicalcium silicate is known as belite, tricalcium aluminate is known as aluminite or silite, and tetracalcium aluminiferrite is known as ferrite. Here C is for calcium oxide, S is for silica, A for alumina, F for iron oxide and H for H2O, that is for water. There are other minor compounds also. Two of these are sodium oxide and potassium oxides, are referred as alkalis in the cement, play an important role in alkali aggregate reaction, also known as AAR, which will be discussed in the other units. Calcium silicates form a major part in the compound composition of cement. They constitute 70 to 80% of cement, rest occupied by calcium aluminate, aluminiferrite and some minor compounds like alkalis. Here the properties of OPC is dependent on the type and properties of compound present in the cement. Now the calculation of potential composition of Portland cement is based on the work of R.H. Bogue and others and is often referred as Bogue's composition. Bogue's equations for percentage of main compounds in cement are given here. The term in the brackets represents the percentage of given oxide in the total mass of cement. Here you can see the four empirical equations given by R.H. Bogue and others, which are useful to find out the percentage of these four major compounds. Here you can see in the table given below the oxide composition percentage are given. For example, to find C4AF we need to multiply Fe2O3 percentage, that is 3 with 3.04, which will come as 9.1%. Likewise, we can obtain all the percentage of other compounds, but here it is to mention that these percentages are approximate. The percentage obtained from this oxide composition, you can see the major percentage is C3S, that is tricalcium silicate, it is 54.1%. Then you have C2S, that is dicalcium silicate, as 16.6%. Then you have tricalcium aluminate as 10.8%, and you have C4AF, that is tetracalcium aluminoferrite, as 9.1%. Now in this schematic diagram, the compositions and the compounds and the finally the product of hydration are given. Here you see at the top you have the raw materials like limestone, clay, shale, etc., which are calcareous and argillaceous material. When these raw materials are used, the basic elements of these raw materials are oxygen, silicon, calcium, aluminum, and iron. From these elements, the oxides composition in raw materials are calcium oxide, that is lime, silicon oxide, that is silica, aluminum oxide, that is alumina, and iron oxide. When these raw materials are subjected to clinkering temperature, the compounds are formed. The compounds are tricalcium silicate, dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate, and tetracalcium aluminoferrite. On grinding this clinker, various cement can be obtained, and after addition of water, the product is known as product of hydration, which will be discussed in the next lecture, that is CSH gel and calcium hydroxide. These are the references used for preparation of this lecture. I hope you understood the composition as well as the compound of cement. Thank you.